Good day. How are you doing? In today's class, we'll be designing something of this nature. So I just want to show you this. Now open my Canva app. So I'll click on this plus sign to select my size. So I'll be going for 1080 by 1080. This is the first, as you can see. So I'll click on that. So to start with, I'll firstly get the background image. So um I'll go to photos, and it's going to show me different pictures. So let me just type tab, because if you check the image background, the design background, you see a tab there, as you can see. So you can see this is a tab. So let's just use tab, and let's see if we can get something of that nature or something similar. Okay, or let me use, or let me search for, okay, let's use this first one. Let's use this in order to save our time. So I have to increase, as you can see, you just drag from any angle of your choice. So you can drag to increase the size. So you can see I'm using this to increase. So I'll keep dragging till I'm okay with the size. So now I'm okay. Okay. Alright. So I'm okay with the size. So now I'll click. After doing that, I'll click out. I can click anywhere here. So let's move to the next object. So I'll be creating the box for this. I'll be creating the box for this box, and this one. So now I'll click on this plus sign, click on the box sign, then you go to elements. So you go to shapes. Actually, Canva works with internet, and if your internet is not that strong, it's going to be slow. So that's why I'm having this kind of slow network issue. That's why it's loading very slow. So I'll just click on this rectangle. Okay, so I think that's okay. Then I'll create this one first. I think the color is black, so I'll just click on here to change my color, change it to black. Okay, so I'll need the same rectangle so I can easily copy. So if you want to copy, you just click on the box and you click on this. It's going to copy. So I'll put it aside. Make sure you are aligning all your designs. You understand? Make sure it's aligned, and the color is, I think it's yellow. I think it's not that. You can also edit your color if you like by selecting this plus sign, and it's going to show you the full color, which you can just rotate. Just pick anything for any color of your choice. So let me just reduce this a little bit and increase this. Yeah, so I think we are getting there. So let's check. Okay, I think we are getting there. okay. I'll increase the bottom side a little bit. I'll do the same for this. So now I'll import my logo. To do that, click on this plus sign. Actually, I already have my logo saved as PNG on my phone, so it's very easy for me to use my logo without any background. So let me just go straight to click on recent, and it's going to show your image folders. So I think I have my logo in Canva. So these are my designs. So I did all this on my phone. Actually, not all, but majorly. So let me just try to locate my logo. This is now in PNG format. I think I have the PNG format here. Okay, my logo is not here. Let me check artwork. I think my logo should be here. So these ones are done using Corel Draw. So I did this with Corel Draw. This network is kind of slow. Oh yeah, so this is my logo. You can see it doesn't have any background. You can see this is my logo. It doesn't have any background. So I just click on it. So I'll rotate. This is a rotate sign. I'll rotate it. I'll rotate, and then I'll reduce the size to fit in here. So I think that's okay and aligned. So next thing is to add text. So I'll click on this plus sign again to add my text. You can see text. So text. So you can select from all these templates, but I don't like using too much of templates. I'll just click on any of this to choose my own font and text. So just click on text and select any of these three, depending on the font you want to use. But I'll be using this one. So I just click on this. So now you click on edit. So the name is Ratude Global Enterprise. So then you click out. So now let me check the design and tell them it's okay. The Ratude Global at the top and Enterprise on the bottom. So now, and it's also in capital letter. So you can come here to change it to capital letter by selecting this small a and cap A. So I can edit this to bring down the enterprise. Then click out. So change the alignment. To change the alignment, this is the alignment. I'm gonna change it to left side. So also I want to change the font. I don't like this font. I would like to change the font. So you can scroll down Let me check. Let me choose Atom. Okay, I like it. Let me choose this. So you can just play around with the fonts. I think this is the font I use. So to make it bold, you click on this B and it will bold. I think this is the same font I use. So I'll also rotate it. And I'll change the color. To change the color, you click on this A and change it to white. So then you move it here and reduce the size. Yeah, reduce this. I think we are getting there. So reduce the size. That's okay. Let's check again. Okay, the color I use is yellow. Okay, reduce the size a little bit. So I use yellow, not white. Okay, this is the color. All your recent color will be here at the top here. All the color you've used so far will be here, so you can just easily select and reuse the color. So now I'll have to copy the text to type in my RC number. So to copy, you use this copy sign. Then I'll type in my RC number. So you can just erase everything. Then you type in your RC number, RC288199. Then you click out. You are. As you can see, make sure you align all your tests. And let me reduce it a little bit. It shouldn't be the same size with the company name. I think this one is in white. I change it to white. Let's see. Oh, perfect. Okay, it's in white. So now we move to the other design. So now I'll copy the text again, change the color to white. Okay, black. Let me choose black. So then I'll rotate it back to normal. So now I'll edit the text to, let me add the first. Okay, now I have to increase it. So we are creating this. So all we have to do is just to change the font. Change the font. I think this is similar. Let's use this in order to save our time. So I'll just rotate. I'll just rotate the. Okay, rotate it like this and increase it a little bit. So I'll put it here. I think the color is white. So, okay, yeah, it's white. It's in white. Okay, let me change the font. I don't like it. It's too close. Change it to this. Trying to get the actual font so that it will look perfect. Okay, let's just use this one like that to save our time. So I'll change the color to black. Is it in black or white? Okay, it's in white. So now I'll type in wag pin and Neko token are always available. So let me just copy this again, drag it here, change the color to black. So now we're going to see what we're typing clearly. So wag pin and Neko token is always available. Okay, let me check. Okay, are always available here. Are always available here. This down. Neko token. I will have to change. Okay, we're using the same. Okay, I think we are using the same font. So let me change the font. I will remove it from capital letter. So you can see, just remove. So that I'll be able to change all the. So this one is in small letter. Neko token. Always available here. Okay, available here. Available here. Okay, I think we are good. So now I will increase it. So I have to change the alignment to left. Okay, reduce 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 it a little bit. Okay, just trying to make it perfect. I don't want it to change. Okay. Okay. Like that. Let me move this a little bit. Okay. So now I'll input the next thing, which is the wag pin is 2000 and Neko token is 800. Okay, I think the font is in bold. It is in bold already. So let me move this off. So let me just use the position. Okay, notch. Click on notch to move the this too. Okay, so now let me copy and type. So I'll include the wag pin 2000 naira. Neko token Okay, 800. So I'll have to change the fonts, reduce it, bold, and the color is red. Okay, are we getting it? Okay, good. Alaikum salam. So I have to change the space. I think the space is too much. I'll click on position. No, okay, where am I going to get that? Okay, this is okay. So to reduce the spacing, you have to click on this and you reduce the height a little bit. Think you are getting there. So now I want to um, import WhatsApp logo. So I want to import WhatsApp logo. So I'll click on this plus sign again. So um, I'll go to okay photos. Then you search for WhatsApp logo. So you'll be given different types of WhatsApp logo. And then just look for um, the one that doesn't have any background to use. Or supposed to be at the top. Let me you remove the logo in front of it. Oh. Well, in order to save our time, you can easily go to Google and search for WhatsApp logo. So when you're searching, you put PNG in front of the WhatsApp, so you'll be able to download the PNG format, the one that doesn't have any background. I hope you understand that. So I already have the PNG here, so I'll just click on this WhatsApp logo, then I'll reduce it, and move it here, reduce it, reduce it. So then I'll use my notch to move it down. I think I still have to reduce the logo a little bit. Okay, so let me move it up. So now I'll type in my number. So my number is 08189455445. So I'll change the font. I'll change the color rather to black and increase it a little bit. So I can also use this to increase the font size. Yeah, I think it's okay like that. So you can see, I think they are a little bit spacing. So let me just add spacing to it. That's it. Okay. So let me add a little bit spacing. Let me add spacing to it. So to do that, you go to that same go to this place, click on it, and letter pink. That's okay. So now I'll use my notch to move it closer to the logo, to the WhatsApp logo. Okay, think we are through. So I want you to do the same thing. You understand? Come up with something better than this one. Okay. Thank you for watching. Or let me check if we still have anything to add. Okay, this open animation. Okay, you can do that. And there is one object at the top. Let's see if we can get the object. This is why I don't like using Canva. You can see that. Okay. My network is so bad. Okay, go. And just scroll down. Oh, okay. My network is too bad. Okay. Okay, let me try to get the element here. Well, if you don't see it, you can use something similar to that object. So I'll use this. I'll use this. So I'll change the color to white. I can't even increase. Okay, let me just cut. Let me crop it a little bit. Then need to crop it. Let's remove it or not remove it. Let's remove it. So okay, let's add the open animation. And click on more. Let's the element. Then let's search for open. Oh, that's good. Let me use let me use this first one. Then put it here. So Let's see if we can animate it. Animate. Oh, okay. Let me just choose that. I think we have pro animation here, but we'll be using that. Okay, that's that for today. So I want you to create something similar. Okay, just try your best. I'm going to grade you. Okay, thanks for watching.